Most people spend their lives begging for attention, seeking validation, and playing by rules they didn't write. They are NPCs in someone else's story. But you're here because you're tired of being the prey. You want the power. In the next 10 minutes, I'll reveal the 7 laws of dark psychology and discipline that will make you a ghost in a world of noise. Listen carefully, because the last law is the one that changes everything. Law 1. Strategic silence. The more you speak, the more predictable you become. Dark discipline starts with your tongue. When you're silent, people feel awkward. They start talking to fill the void, and that's when they reveal their weaknesses. Never explain yourself. Let them wonder. Your mystery is your greatest weapon. Law 2. Emotional detachment. If you can be angered, you can be controlled. A man who reacts is a man who can be played. Dark discipline is the ability to feel the fire inside, but show ice on the outside. When someone insults you, look them in the eye and say nothing. Your lack of reaction is the ultimate disrespect to their ego. Law 3. Selective availability. The world treats easy things as cheap things. If you are always there, you have no value. Be rare. Be hard to find. Don't answer every call. Don't attend every event. People only appreciate the sun because it disappears. Apply this to your life. Scarcity creates demand. Law 4. The shadow work. Success is loud, but the process must be silent. Don't tell people your plans. Show them your results. Dark discipline means grinding while they sleep. And when you finally win, don't even tell them how you did it. Let them think it was luck. It's safer that way. Law 5. Master your fears. The average person runs from what scares them. You walk toward it. Dark psychology teaches us that fear is just an illusion of the mind used to keep us small. Face your darkest fears until they become bored of you. When you have nothing left to fear, no one can stop you. Law 6. Observation over participation. Stop trying to belong. Observe the room before you enter it. Watch the dynamics. Find the power players and see who is real and who is wearing a mask. Knowledge is power, and you gain more knowledge by watching than by acting. Law 7. The absolute self-reliance. In the end, you are born alone and you will die alone. Dark discipline is realizing that no one is coming to save you. No friend, no partner, no government. You are your only hope. When you stop expecting things from others, you become truly powerful. This is the dark resolve. If you're still watching, you are part of the 1%. Comment, "I am the master," to let me know you finished. And remember, the shadows are watching. Stay dark